In this video, I will introduce how you can resolve some command line error. For example, for make, when you do make clean like this, if you're getting messages like this, device resource busy or like cannot remove or something like this, then this is because in some other session you are reading some object files. So what that means is that you can either have like an ended connection on like an ended window, or you type qemu-nox ls. Then it shows some of the active sessions, and then you have some active sessions and it's in the object directory. And how you can resolve this is like you can get into the session by qemu-nox attach -t and the session number is 0 here, like this. Then enter. Then you can get into the previous qemu-nox session. And using qemu-nox is quite good because even if you get disconnection with some of the internet problem or something, then when you reconnect to the machine, then you previously you lost all the your intermediate work or something, unsaved one. But using qemu-nox on the server, this kind of the session will be remaining forever until system reboot. Yeah, practically forever. So you don't need to worry about like a connection disconnection. Yeah, just connect again, get into the session like this. Then you can work on this like that, and then, or you can exit like this. Then now you get out from the qemu-nox. Then now make clean works. Yeah, right. So if you are seeing like this kind of error, that's because like you are having like another connection or another session. So if that is another connection, then just remove all qemu-nox session. And how you can do it more conveniently, if you don't want to get into the qemu-nox session, then run this command, kill all qemu-nox. Yeah, then it will kill all qemu-nox, but ignore about like this kind of thing because it tries to kill all qemu-nox of the other users, but it will fail. That's why. Yeah, so it will remove all your sessions for your convenience. Then make clean also works. Next is about the potential command line error could happen when you use a make qemu-nox or qemu-nox GDB. And when you run it, if you're seeing some of the error messages that like a failed to bind socket address already in use, what that means is like some of your other connection or some of your other sessions, yeah, is using is running qemu. Then let's check qemu-nox ls. Yes, there is a session. qemu-nox attach -t 0. So get into the session 0. There, yes, I was running qemu. Then if I quit this, then exit, then it works fine, right? Yeah. So I hope this clarifies like the why you are seeing like this kind of messages, command line error, and like the hope you know how you can resolve this. And then for your convenience, there is a command kill qemu, and if you run it, then it will try to kill all qemu instances that are owned by you. And also please ignore these kind of messages.